Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If a triangle ABC is drawn such that the sides AB and EC are equal and angle C is 15 degrees, then what is the value of angle A? So this is the given triangle. This is A, B, this is C. We are given that AB is equal to AC. Therefore, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, we can say angle B and angle C are base angles. Therefore, they have to be equal. And angle C is given as 15 degrees. Therefore, both are equal to 15 degrees. Now, to find angle A, we know in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. This is angle sum property. So let's see, we have angle A plus 15 equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle A plus 30 equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle A equal to 180 minus 30. Therefore, angle A we get as 150 degrees. This is the answer.